Welcome to the channel. Today is a beautiful day, so we're going to get into a little something. Stick around. Yeah, there behind me is the Aristocrat. It is in the shop and we are working on it. That's not what we're going to do today. Today, we're packing up and we're going camping. We're going to take a trail out to a farm that we have that we've camped at. I've camped at since I was a little kid, and my family camped at. My children have camped at, but we haven't been there camping in, 10 years. So Hope and I are going camping today. Another reason we're going camping is to find out, did our campsite survive? After Hurricane Helene came through, we lost a lot of trees. Here on my property, just on this one hillside, I lost more than a dozen trees. And we've not been out to our family land since the hurricane. The hurricane was definitely much worse down in North Carolina, but many counties in Virginia were hit very hard. And on my property here, we lost more than 30 trees. So we'll be able to find out, did the family land out there survive? And is there still a campsite to camp in? We had someone doing some work out there and they said they saw some trees down out there as well. So I'll throw the chainsaw in the Scout and we'll find us a place to camp. We are going camping on some land we have. We've not camped out there in a very long time. Used to take the kids out there all the time. Kids got older. And we got older. But where's the hawk? You see it?
Nope.
On the wire, right beside the road.
Nope.
Hang on, somebody. That drink holder's in a bad spot. No. No, the hurricane laid a lot of stuff down. That's fire. Camp is set up. We have one of those fancy YouTube channels where we're going to show what we're cooking tonight. April, what are we cooking tonight?
I can't show you because you got to go get your own stick.
My own stick for what?
I might give you a hot dog to put on that stick. And I think I brought a bottle of mustard.
Ah, great. And what's for dessert?
Hold on.
Hold on, let's see it. Cheetos. It's going to be a good night. Wish you guys were here.
Stop it.
Mmm. Well, folks, as April pours the water on the last bit of fire, we're getting packed up to get out of here. April's got an appointment this morning, so we are going to hit the road. Thank you very much for joining us. Be sure and hit the like, subscribe button, and ring the bell if you want to see more of these things come along your way. So, thanks for watching. What's that look for?